Hello guys, it's Devin here back again for another video, and today we are going to be installing new amp and bass knob and subs and all of that. So I've got this right here. I've got the amp and everything. It's upside down and all that in there, but all the tools in the back to get all of it done. I'm about to run to McDonald's right now, get some gas, get some coffee, and then, yeah, I'll pick up from there. So guys, this is what we got here. The Kicker CX series amp. 1200 watt RMS, 2400 watt max. And yeah, this will be replacing the old amp. And then we'll run this bass knob, probably somewhere under there in that little divot maybe. And then yeah, I still gotta grab the sub from the apartment, but that thing is like 80 pounds, I think, something like that, and I'm not carrying it by myself. So yeah, it'll fit right back there behind the seat, probably in that exact spot. And then I'll mount the amp to the back side of that seat so it'll move when the seat goes up and down, open up some space. But yeah, that's the plan for the amp and the sub.
Fuck the sales don't you a snitch. Fuck you and who snitching with ya. Long money walk, let the lady take a picture. Not every day the bitch.
Alright guys, so this is the moment of truth. We're about to unbox the new Subwoofers. I haven't even opened it, but I haven't taken them out yet, so we'll see what they look like. All the packaging. I believe this is the front. There are mounting screws and all that. Look pretty good. Also, this is the back of it. That's interesting. Hey, get out of here. So, I start tearing this open. Oh, maybe not tear it. Looks like it's actually taped. Oh, okay. I don't think it matters if you put them on your side or anything. Oh, it stinks like carpet. But there's one of the subs. Can't really see it in this lighting, but there she be. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna get this down to the car, but should be a process. But yeah, this is what they look like. Put this side down too. And yeah, it's all embroidered on the top. Should look pretty good in the car. So I'll see you guys when I get down there. Oh, I'm not ready to carry this. Huh. Alrighty. Well, see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the spot. Before I do anything, I really just want to get all of this out and on the thing so I can see what it's all going to look like together. Yeah, there really is no room back here anymore. I'm going to set y'all down and I'm going to go grab all my tools and stuff real quick. So, okay, before anything, I'm gonna get this bad boy out. The wrong way. And it's cold out today. Certification manual, will probably read a little bit of that. And then some mounting screws and a hex key for something. And look at this. This thing is way smaller than, well, actually it's not. That's pretty small. It's just a little bit bigger. We'll go to the side door. Because I want to put it like right there maybe. So if I take off that piece and that piece, it could sit like right about there. Maybe a little higher, a little lower. Cover up that if possible. I'm gonna mess with it and then I'll figure out how I'm gonna mount it and I'll come back to you guys. So I'm gonna call an audible on putting the amp on this back of seat, or the back of the seat, my bad. I'm gonna try to fit it in this groove right here and try to mount it vertically, I guess. We'll see. But yeah, it's like metal through there, so I can't really get through that. This is like a cardboard material that I'll just be able to screw into. I already undone one of the bolts, but I'm gonna go undo the battery and then get all this stuff undone and try to get the sub mounted up. And yeah, so I'm still recording my little time-lapse thing, and yeah, you'll see the process of that. Alright, so now I got everything wired up besides the actual speaker wire. Got the RCAs plugged in. I can't remember exactly what was the positive or the right and left signal on this. I'm pretty sure the black was the left, but I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can't check underneath the dash. But I'm gonna go ahead and connect this battery back up. Get that on there. Let me go grab my wrench. There she is. Oh yeah, beautiful day out. It's super cold. Make sure that's on there tight. I'm gonna put y'all down for this. But no, we only have a couple more steps to go. And then we'll start tuning, having fun with them. Brr. One more spin. Okay. Alrighty, so that's all that done. Nothing's messed up anywhere. Got that in my pocket. Grab y'all down. Perfect. So I should be able to start the car now, and I'll check the back, but we should be getting power. I was gonna say it's probably gonna flash me with all these signals and stuff, yeah. Man, it's cold. Turn it up. Okay, we're gonna go open the hatch and see if we got power back there. The remote wires should be all hooked up. We are getting power. Alrighty. Let the car warm up a little bit. Cause I'm cold too, but when the head unit gets turned on, we will we'll play some music and just go from there. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the subs back there. I've got the speaker wire hooked into the sub, but not into the amp itself. Just tested out the speakers. All the speakers are working. I found that my highest volume I should go to is probably like 32 on flat EQ, no bass boost, no nothing. 32. For some songs I can get like 35, and then I feel like it starts to distort the sound and all of that. So I'll probably just tune at 32 and go from there. So I made sure everything worked good, and I'll flip the camera around. Alrighty, so here we go guys, the moment of truth. I'm gonna run these. So the white is the positive, black is the negative. If the input, like the RCA cable, is a little messed up, I don't know, we'll have to see, but I'm gonna have to move this whole speaker out of the way. Why did they use Phillips heads here and then Allen keys there? That'll make no sense. Alrighty, so we just need one positive, how does this thing even open up? I'm screwing it out. positive and one negative down here. Says that's as far as it goes out. Alrighty, so I guess we just squeeze them in there. Sorry about that. Try to put you up if you can see that. Flatten this one. Put it in there. Car is off during this. So I think I have shocked myself before. Just messing with the speaker wire with the car on. This to stay in there good though. Alrighty. They're not coming out. Okay. And then the speaker wire can sit like that. Move this behemoth back. Don't want to pull on any wires or anything. That could sit right there. Nothing in the back messing with anything. Alrighty. Probably switch to my iPad so I can play music off my phone, but I'll leave the gain all the way down and we'll see what it's like. Make sure everything's good. Crossover set to about 80 or what I think it is. And then bass boost 0, gain 0. I looked it up. I want to be on a low input level. Because I guess for higher end music or something like that, you want to do that. But let me close this door. I will get the car started. Kind of scared. But gains at 0. Bass knobs at max. And then I'll adjust the gain when I put on some music. So I think I can maybe go up a little bit more. I'll probably just go up half the gain. I don't hear any distortion at all, so I think I'm good. You guys can't see it, but that thing is going crazy up there. right, guys, I think that's it. Subs are working. They sound good. Yeah, they sound real good. So, I'm probably going to continue to mess with them over the next week, let them kind of work in and play as low as they can. So I'll probably just play some test tones and all that through them. Man, it's freaking cold. But everything's hooked up. They sound good. I got my bass knob adjusted so I can mess with that whenever. Yeah, that's the install. The amp's hidden over there. It looks good. Really big, really heavy, but definitely worth it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It'd help a lot. Yeah, look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.